All right, guys, we're gonna take a quick break from statistics so that we can install R and another program that you will need to use R as well. All right, let's get started. The first thing that I want you to do is go to the web and right there, type Google. Once in Google, look for R, the word R, the letter R. Right at the top, you will get the option to click on the web page of R. Remember, what we're trying to do here is just to install R, but this is the web page of the entire project. There's all kind of information here. What we are after is this link here where you can get the program R. After you click in there, you are taken to a web page where you can select different computers from around the world where R is installed. Those different computers, they are called mirrors. And again, there are hundreds of those computers anywhere around the world. Any of these mirrors will be just fine. I'm going to click on the first mirror. Next, you're going to be asked to select what type of computer do you have. So R is available for Linux, Mac, and a Windows PC. In this case, I'm going to choose Windows. Right there at the top, you get the option to install R for the first time. I click in there. And right here, you get the latest version of R. I click in there. You're going to be asked to download that file, save that file. It's going to take a little bit of time. Once it finishes, double click on the file and accept all of the commands. Once R is installed, it will appear at the bottom of your screen here, indicated with the letter R. If you click on that icon, this is R. So it's kind of remarkable how simple this program looks like, but it's a window to a world of opportunities that you just open up there with that R. Okay, one of the things with R, however, is that anytime that you type a line of code and you click enter, you run that line, but once you run that line, it cannot be undone, so you gotta retype this thing again. So as a result, it's recommended that you had another program where you type the code and you just simply copy and paste the code from that program into R. The program that we're going to be using for you to type your code is going to be called Tinn-R. So again, go back to the web page, to the internet, search for Google, and there you're going to look for Tinn-R. Tinn-R is right there at the top. And once you are on the web page of Tinn-R, there is a button here called download. Click on that and click on the file and accept all of the default parameters. Once you install the program, it's going to appear at the bottom of your screen here with this icon. And that is Tinn-R right here. Okay. So that's it. This is how to install R and Tinn-R. And just for you to know, I'm going to give you a token. The token for this lecture is the letter T. All right, guys. Thank you.